Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to remove a recipient from broadcasts on WhatsApp. Let's begin. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your broadcast list. This is the list where you have your recipients grouped. Step 3. Tap the three dots located at the top right of the screen. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 4. From the menu, select Broadcast List Info. This will take you to the information page of your broadcast list. Step 5. Tap Edit Recipient. This will allow you to make changes to the recipients in your broadcast list. Step 6. Find and tap the recipient you want to remove. Once selected, the recipient's name will appear at the top of the screen. Step 7. Tap the check mark. The recipient will be removed from your broadcast list, and their name will disappear from the list. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove a recipient from your broadcasts on WhatsApp. This gives you control over who receives your broadcast messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.